Hello, fellas. Good morning, good afternoon from where you are. This is your girl D, and she's having a great time in Tulum. This is my hotel, and I want to step out because I want to go and explore a little bit. But today I don't have an actual plan because I want it to be like a free day. I go with the flow, whatever comes, So I'm just gonna step out. I'm hungry, so I wanna go have breakfast. My hotel doesn't provide breakfast, but it's not a problem. There are quite a number of different options here. So guys, let's go. That's my hotel. This is where I'm staying. It's still early morning, so no people yet. These are the taxis here. You literally have to flag them. So there is no, there is no Uber here. When I came yesterday, it was very lovely. However, it was in the evening. So this is literally the island vibe, where in the day, no one pops out. From the afternoon is when you start seeing people crawling out of their rooms or their nests. So I don't mind. I'm here to do me. If you are in Tulum, just make sure you visit this Venalaluza sculpture. It is a tall artwork constructed by the very talented South African artist Daniel Popper, and it actually means come to light in Spanish. So make sure you come to visit this place because voila, see how beautiful it is. Man, it is an award-winning sculpture. Damn. So basically, this is an art park where this is the main sculpture. However, there are pretty much smaller arts that you could see from various artists. And they charge 100 pesos as an entrance fee, basically just to avoid people just walking in and out of this beautiful place. Quite reasonable, I'd say. If I have an honest opinion, this place is full of boutiques with very, very nice attires. However, I feel like it's more like not a local vibe. It's kind of like, the expats that came to settle here and now they open businesses, which there's nothing wrong with that. However, I was looking for something very authentic, very Mexican and, a lot of local stuff, but it's clearly not the case. Something that I've always wanted to do is learn how to ride a scooter. I think this is one of my plans for next year. I need to know how to ride a scooter because most of these Southeast Asian countries that I go to, it's very, very convenient to, ride a scooter and get to explore the entire town or, city kind of thing. So, I don't know. For now, I have to walk. Maybe I will find a place where I can rent a bicycle. But there, guys, in Tulum, there is a big problem with water, like fresh water. Like in my hotel last night, I bathed with salty water. Literally, I felt like I was showering in the beach. But a lot of hotels need to buy water in order to supply the entire place. This is a collectivo, is like a public transportation here. I have not tried, to be honest, but let's see whether I can do it later in the evening, because I might need to go to the center to find these tours. I've been roaming around, but apparently no place have these tours available, or no one is selling them, so I have to go to the center for some reason. I kind of feel like it is hotter here in Tulum as opposed to Cancun. Man, I'm sweating, and I don't know why I did not remember to bring my hat with me. I have to go back to the hotel and grab it, because yo, I'm gonna get migraine here. Look how sweaty I look. Jeez. Tulum is full of jungles, like all the places left, right, center, full of jungles. I mean, not like the, you know, African or Brazilian jungle for sure, but full of trees, very dense trees on this side. So this side is the jungle kind of place, and right behind this, this are where the hotels are, is where the beach is. So you get a feel of both. You know, I thought under these trees you'll feel some, you know, kind of breeze, but clearly not always. As soon as you hit the sun, yo, it's really hot. See, told you, the water tankers are everywhere, and that's a taxi that you have to hail every time you step out. It's a shame that all these joints are still closed. It is literally midday and none of them are open. All the bars are open, not all, I mean majority of the bars are open, but not places to eat. I just don't understand. The math is not mathing here. Why would you prioritize opening a bar as opposed to opening a restaurant or a cafe or whatever it is? However, I'm just here for a few days, so it's island vibes, it's alright. And I think this is a massage place, but I don't know, I never had anything about Mexican massage, so I'm not gonna try it. Finally, I found something that is open, and they are selling smoothies or you know, this power bowls, and definitely I'm gonna go for that. Again, as I told you guys, everywhere there's always music, so I cannot film properly. Man, I cannot complain, but it is what it is.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get that long, right?
It's fun. Yeah, it's really fun.
Man, that bowl was amazing. Like literally I finished, it was a lot, but I was so hungry that I enjoyed every little bit about it. I was hot and now I'm cool. Yo, I needed a bowl. Yeah, so right now the only thing I need is a grocery store. I just need to buy a few things to take back in my hotel, then head to the beach, because as I say, today I'm gonna take it easy. Yeah, and it is exactly what I'm doing. So right here is a mini mart that I wanna grab a few things. Alright guys, so there was a little miscommunication with the other room, and they had to put me on another room, which is you know, the main hotel. And I'm so lucky because I am closer to the beach. Look at that, guys. My time at the beach ends here. Tomorrow is another day, another long day, and I have to make sure that I sleep early and ensure that I go and enjoy the entire day tour. So until next time, keep it locked guys, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Adios, remember to subscribe.